Hello guys, in this section I will cover the topics related to formatting. When using formatting, we have two methods which we can use in order to give format to the conversion chart of our choice, and those are format and printf. First, I will cover the most basic and then I will expand to the greater structure in formatting. I will now show you the conversion chart for each case. D is used for integer, F for float, F is also used for double, S for string, C for char, and B for boolean. First, let's see how these variables fit into this format conversion. Let's see what happens when you use the integer conversion. It prints the number we expected. Now let's put a string char conversion. And we can see it prints 100. Anything can be printed in a string format. Now let's put an F char conversion. And we get an error that says that F isn't compatible with the integer. Let's try again by putting the number itself. And we get the same exception. So the F actually expects some floating or double format. Therefore, you can either put a D in the end where you tell it's a double, an F in the end where you tell it it's a float, and a 0 delimiter in the end where you tell it it's the double. Now let's put the C conversion char. And we can see it prints D. The reason of this is because 100 is the ASCII representation of the D letter and it converts it like that. Now let's put another number, 85. It prints capital U. Now let's put 80. And it prints capital P. Now let's put the B of Boolean conversion type. As you can see, anything you put here turns out to be true, except by false itself, and null, which turns to be false. There are more combinations you can check, but now we are moving on to the topics on formatting. We already did some basic formatting, so let's check the other optional features in formatting you can use. Here you can see the order and structure when formatting. When formatting, the % sign in the beginning is mandatory, and the conversion chart at the end is also mandatory. All others are optional. So let's begin by arg index. We will begin with 3 integer variables and put them in a custom order. So I1 in the third position, I2 in the second, and I3 in the third according to the indexes given. So let's put just one variable in the third index and let's see what happens. And we see there is an exception since there is not a third value to put. So let's just put the first index. And we see it works just fine if you put either 0 or 1 in the first position. And if you put none, it just takes the natural index position.